Last time we looked at we using the money market account as a numeraire. Um, as we mentioned, you don't have to use a particular asset as a numeraire. You can basically choose any financial asset as a numeraire. So here we're gonna see an example that instead of using the money market account as a numeraire, we will use a zero coupon bond as a numeraire and look at the equivalent martingale measures under that. So if we have a P, small t, big T, as the price of a zero coupon bond at time T, small t, and maturing at the big T. So if you look at it, this asset has a particular simple expression at maturity because the maturity price of the zero coupon bond is just 1. So then you look at it and say, okay, what is my martingale process? Basically is for any derivative asset F, so F naught divided by G naught, which is in this case is P 0 T, is equal to this expected value. So you can have whatever is underneath here, which that we have this F naught equal to P0T, but then it times this expected value. This expected value is really Ft divided by Gt, but Gt is 1, so it becomes an expected value of Ft. So here, the current value of a financial asset at time t equal to 0 times 0 is really the discount. Here's a zero coupon bond. You can think of it as a discount factor. So it's a discount factor times the expected value of the at time big T of the derivative asset. So typically there's a payoff. So the expected payoff of the asset of the derivative asset F at maturity. Discount it back, and you get the initial value. So here, we don't see any interest rate because the interest rate, you use a zero coupon bond here. So the discount factor replaces that, the one where we have the present value discounting here in the earlier one. So this part, we don't have this anymore. Instead, we have this discount factor, which is the current value of the zero coupon bond. Now notice that the expectation is under a different measure because I perfectly denoted this as expectation under with a Z here to denote that this expectation is taken under different expectation than the money market account used as a numeraire. So depending on what you use as a numeraire, there's a different probability distribution to make the whole, this ratio a martingale. So you can mix them together. They're under different probability measure.